So moving on to the next problem. The 18th question is integral of e power tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. So if you look at the question itself, you will be able to understand the power of e is tan inverse x and the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So obviously we need to substitute tan inverse x as t. This implies on differentiating both sides with respect to t, you will get 1 by 1 plus x square into dx divided by dt is equal to derivative of t is 1, which implies dx divided by 1 plus x square is equal to the dt will go to the other side. It will become dx by 1 plus x square is equal to dt. So dx divided by 1 plus x square can be replaced with dt and e power tan inverse x can be replaced with t. So the whole question will get converted as e power t into dt. So this will be, what is the integral of e power t? It is e power t itself plus c. So e power, what is the value of t? It is tan inverse x plus c. So e power tan inverse x plus c will be the final answer.